Did you know that marigolds can keep your tomatoes happy? But planting them with beans might be a total disaster? What if I told you that the key to a thriving garden could be pairing plants that seem completely unrelated, like strawberries and onions or sunflowers and cucumbers? Sounds bizarre, right? But here's the kicker. These unusual combos don't just coexist, they actually help each other grow stronger, healthier, and more productive. Now here's the question that might change how you garden forever. What if the secret to solving your biggest gardening problems, like pest invasions, stunted growth, or poor yields, wasn't in your soil, your tools, or even the weather, but in the plant sitting right next to another? You've probably been told about the classics like carrots and onions, but what about the pairings no one talks about? Are you ready to uncover the weird, wonderful world of companion planting combos that might just blow your mind? Stick around, this is going to get wild. Let's dive straight into these unusual companion planting combinations that might seem strange at first but could transform your garden. Strawberries and onions might seem like an odd couple in the garden, but they're actually a powerhouse pairing. Here's why. Onions release sulfur compounds into the soil, which naturally repel pests like aphids, mites, and slugs, the very creatures that love to snack on strawberry plants. Think of onions as the strawberry plant's personal bodyguard. Now you might wonder, won't the onions affect the strawberry's flavor? Surprisingly, no. Onions grow below the surface and don't interfere with the sweetness of your berries. In fact, the two plants coexist perfectly because they don't compete for the same resources. Strawberries have shallow roots and spread out across the surface, while onions grow deep into the soil. This ensures both plants have plenty of room to access water and nutrients without crowding each other. What's the benefit to you? Healthier plants, fewer pests, and a better harvest. This pairing is especially useful if you want a thriving organic garden without relying on chemical pesticides. Simply plant onions in rows or clusters near your strawberries and let this duo work its magic. It's a simple trick that can save your garden and your strawberries from unwanted trouble. Give it a try and watch the results. At first glance, pairing sunflowers and cucumbers might seem unusual. After all, one towers above the garden while the other sprawls across the ground. But these two plants complement each other beautifully, creating a mutually beneficial relationship that can transform your garden. Here's how it works. Sunflowers provide a sturdy, natural trellis for cucumber vines to climb. This allows the cucumbers to grow vertically, keeping their fruit off the ground, which reduces the risk of rot, pests, and diseases. At the same time, cucumbers play their part by acting as a living mulch. Their broad leaves shade the soil around the sunflowers, keeping it cool and moist, which is especially helpful during hot summers. You might wonder, doesn't the cucumber vine weigh down the sunflower? Not at all. Sunflowers are strong enough to support the lightweight cucumber vines. Plus, their deep roots access nutrients and water far below the surface, leaving plenty for cucumbers' shallower roots. By combining these two plants, you maximize space, reduce maintenance, and create a mini ecosystem that works in harmony. Whether you're short on garden space or looking for smarter planting strategies, this duo is a win-win. Try it out and watch your garden thrive like never before. Radishes and zucchini might not seem like an obvious match, but they're a clever duo for gardeners looking to protect their crops without chemicals. The secret lies in how radishes act as sacrificial plants. Here's what that means. Radishes attract pests like squash bugs and cucumber beetles, drawing them away from your zucchini plants. These pests focus on the radishes, leaving your zucchinis safe and healthy. But what happens to the radishes? Don't worry, they're quick-growing and can be harvested before pests cause significant damage. Even if some radishes take a hit, the trade-off is worth it for robust zucchini plants that continue to thrive throughout the growing season. Now you might wonder, do radishes compete with zucchini for nutrients? Not at all. Radishes are shallow-rooted and grow quickly, while zucchini plants take their time establishing deeper roots. This means both plants can coexist without depleting resources from each other. By pairing radishes with zucchini, you're creating a low-maintenance pest control system that works naturally and effectively. This combination is perfect for gardeners who want to protect their crops while keeping their methods sustainable. Give it a try. It's a simple yet ingenious way to keep your garden thriving. Corn and pumpkins may seem like an odd pairing, but this combination has deep roots in gardening history, particularly in the Native American Three Sisters planting method. While the traditional method includes beans, focusing on just corn and pumpkins creates a dynamic duo that solves common gardening challenges. Corn serves as a natural canopy, providing shade for pumpkin plants. This shading helps keep the soil cool, conserves moisture, and protects the pumpkins from scorching summer heat. In turn, pumpkins act as a living ground cover. Their large, sprawling leaves prevent weeds from taking over and help retain soil moisture by reducing evaporation. Together, these plants create a microenvironment that supports each other's growth. Won't the pumpkins crowd the corn, you might ask? Not at all. Corn grows tall and straight, while pumpkins spread horizontally, making efficient use of space without competing for sunlight. Corn's deep roots also draw nutrients from lower soil layers, while pumpkins feed closer to the surface, ensuring minimal competition for resources. This pairing not only boosts productivity, but also simplifies garden maintenance. With fewer weeds, healthier soil, and thriving plants, corn and pumpkins prove that teamwork truly makes the dream work in your garden. Try it for a harvest worth celebrating. Garlic and roses might not seem like an obvious combination, but they're a perfect example of how companion planting can solve specific gardening challenges. Roses are beloved for their beauty and fragrance, but they often attract unwanted pests like aphids and spider mites. That's where garlic comes in as the ultimate protector. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that naturally repel many of the pests that plague roses. When planted nearby, garlic acts as a natural insect deterrent, keeping your roses safe without the need for chemical pesticides. This not only protects the roses, but also maintains the health of your garden ecosystem. But there's more. Garlic also has antifungal properties, which can help prevent diseases like black spot and powdery mildew, common issues for rose enthusiasts. Simply planting garlic bulbs at the base of your rose bushes can reduce the risk of these fungal infections. Now, you might wonder, will garlic compete with roses for nutrients? Not at all. Garlic has shallow roots that won't interfere with the deeper root systems of roses, making them ideal neighbors. By pairing garlic with roses, you're not just protecting your flowers, you're enhancing their health and beauty naturally. It's a simple yet powerful way to create a thriving, pest-free garden. Carrots and peppers may not seem like an obvious pairing, but their compatibility makes them a gardener's dream team. Both plants thrive in similar conditions, like well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight, making them perfect neighbors in your garden. Peppers, whether sweet or spicy, are known for attracting beneficial insects, such as ladybugs and pollinators. These helpful critters naturally protect carrots by preying on pests like aphids and carrot rust flies. This symbiosis ensures your carrots grow strong and pest-free, reducing the need for chemical interventions. Carrots, in turn, play their part in this partnership by aerating the soil as they grow. Their long, slender roots loosen the earth, creating better drainage and easier access to nutrients for the shallow-rooted peppers. This dynamic makes the soil healthier for both plants, encouraging more robust growth. Worried about space? Don't be. Carrots grow underground while peppers develop above ground, making efficient use of your garden area without competition. This pairing is particularly effective in small gardens or raised beds, maximizing productivity in a limited space. By planting carrots and peppers together, you're not just growing two crops. You're fostering a mutually beneficial relationship that results in a thriving, efficient, and pest-resistant garden. Cabbage and dill might seem like an odd couple at first, but this pairing is a gardener's secret weapon against pests. Cabbage, like other members of the Brassica family, often falls victim to pests such as cabbage worms, aphids, and cabbage loopers. Dill, on the other hand, is an herb that naturally attracts beneficial insects like parasitic wasps and ladybugs, which feast on these destructive pests. By planting dill near your cabbage, you create a natural defense system for your garden. The scent of dill also confuses pests, making it harder for them to locate the cabbage in the first place. This reduces the need for chemical pesticides and helps keep your garden environment safe and healthy. Dill doesn't just protect cabbage, it also benefits from the pairing. Cabbage provides a sturdy structure that shields dill from harsh winds and sun, ensuring it grows lush and healthy. This partnership works well in compact garden spaces too, as dill grows upright and won't compete for space with cabbage's wide leaves. By pairing cabbage with dill, you're fostering a relationship that protects your plants, attracts helpful insects, and promotes a thriving, sustainable garden, all while keeping pests at bay naturally. Beans and marigolds are a perfect example of how thoughtful companion planting can solve multiple gardening challenges at once. Beans, whether bush or pole varieties, are nitrogen-fixing plants. This means they enrich the soil with nitrogen, a vital nutrient that promotes healthy plant growth. But beans often face threats from pests like aphids, beetles, and nematodes. That's where marigolds come in. Marigolds are more than just vibrant, eye-catching flowers, they're natural pest repellents. Their strong scent deters harmful insects and even suppresses soil-dwelling pests like nematodes that can damage bean roots. Studies have shown that marigold roots release a natural compound that wards off these harmful organisms, creating a protective barrier around your beans. At the same time, marigolds attract beneficial pollinators and predatory insects like ladybugs, which feast on aphids and other pests that beans attract. This dual action not only keeps your bean plants healthy but also improves your garden's overall ecosystem. Beans and marigolds grow well together without competing for resources. Beans climb upward or grow in neat rows while marigolds stay compact and flourish at ground level. By pairing beans with marigolds, you're creating a beautiful, functional garden space that thrives naturally, free from pests and full of life. Tomatoes and basil are often thought of as a culinary match made in heaven. But did you know they're just as perfect together in the garden? This classic companion planting pair does more than look great side by side. It addresses multiple gardening challenges, helping you grow a healthier, more productive garden. Basil is a natural pest deterrent. Its strong aroma confuses and repels common tomato pests like whiteflies, aphids, and hornworms. By planting basil alongside your tomatoes, you're creating a natural shield that protects your plants without the need for chemical pesticides. This ensures that your tomatoes grow lush and pest-free. Tomatoes, on the other hand, provide basil with partial shade, especially during the hottest parts of the day. Basil thrives in warm conditions, but a bit of protection from the intense sun helps it stay vibrant and flavorful. But the benefits don't stop there. Many gardeners swear that basil improves the flavor of tomatoes. While this claim is anecdotal, it's widely believed that the aromatic oils in basil may influence the taste of its neighboring fruit. By pairing tomatoes and basil, you're creating a symbiotic relationship that not only solves gardening challenges, but also sets the stage for delicious meals straight from your garden. Potatoes and alyssum may not seem like an obvious pair, but this unexpected combination is a powerhouse for creating a thriving and visually stunning garden. Potatoes as root crops are vulnerable to pests like aphids and potato beetles. This is where alyssum comes to the rescue. Alyssum, a delicate flowering plant, is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a magnet for beneficial insects. Its tiny, nectar-rich blooms attract predators like ladybugs and hoverflies. These helpful insects feed on aphids and other pests that threaten potato plants, naturally keeping infestations under control. This approach reduces the need for chemical pesticides, creating a healthier environment for your garden. Moreover, alyssum grows low to the ground, forming a living mulch that protects the soil around your potatoes. It helps retain moisture, regulates soil temperature, and suppresses weed growth, all of which are vital for potato health and yield. This pairing also optimizes space in your garden. While potatoes grow underground, alyssum flourishes above, making the most of your planting area. By pairing potatoes with alyssum, you're solving pest problems, improving soil conditions, and adding a touch of elegance to your garden, all while ensuring a bountiful potato harvest. Remember, companion planting isn't just about pairing plants for growth, it's about creating a balanced ecosystem where every plant helps its neighbor. Try these combinations, experiment with your own, and see how your garden transforms. Because sometimes, the most unexpected pairs create the strongest bonds. And there you have it. 10 unexpected but highly effective companion planting combos to help you tackle gardening challenges and create a thriving, beautiful garden. Which pairing are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and gardening plans. If this video inspired you or taught you something new, why not take it a step further? Check out our related videos on other companion planting tips and tricks like secrets to pest-free gardening or top companion plants for small spaces. There's a world of fascinating gardening knowledge waiting for you, and I know you'll find something helpful and exciting to explore next. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know what kind of content you love. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our newest videos. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I'm thrilled to have shared these ideas with you, and I can't wait to see what you grow. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive into even more creative and practical gardening tips. Happy gardening!